Been there, done that. Sayulita Riviera Nayarit is located on the Pacific side of Mexico and 45 minutes north of Puerto Vallarta. Sayulita's surfing culture is what has made this town a hot tourist destination. The main beach is always filled with novice and also expert surfers. The waves in Sayulita are ideal for surfers with the gentle and rolling waves. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Mexico tourism information. Sayulita beaches are shallow and ideal for swimmers of all ages. The best surfing is during the winter and spring from November to May. The average waves are from 3 to 6 feet and consistent. Sayulita has everything you could want in a beach day vacation, lots of restaurants, great food, friendly people, and ambiance. What used to be a small village in the Riviera Nayarit, Sayulita is now rapidly growing into a wonderful and luxurious place. Amazing boutiques and laid-back atmosphere in a beautiful setting and with amazing beaches. There's plenty to do and discover in Sayulita during your day visit or even a week's stay. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Mexico tourism information. See you soon!